lazy coders. Yesterday we had installed the database MySQL into our machine using Homebrew. Today we'll start creating and adding to the database. So yesterday we had created a database name school. So we'll use the school DB only. Okay, so we'll use it and we'll add a table to it. So create table name head masters Hogwarts. So okay, something is okay, sorry. So we need to append the data into it. So again we'll add the id, which is int. Id name we want to give it just id, and its type is int, and also I want to set to auto increment. Right, so that was first. Then again we create name, it's varchar set to 100 because we have bigger names. Alright, and again not null. Then we have tenure, in which they have served in. So as you can see the tenure here. Again we'll set it to text. I guess text is enough. Again we'll create detail, that we have to show what's happened during the period and how they got auto-appended or something like that. We'll set to text only, and there we complete the columns. Okay, so we just misspelled the, so auto increment can be applied for primary key only. So it should work. So now it's working. So we'll see describe head masters Hogwarts. Yes, it's created. That's really nice. So all we have to do is append the data to it. So how do we create it? So we just simply insert into head masters Hogwarts as like this. So we want to append data to name, tenure, and details. So here we go. So how do we append data to it? We say values, and then we append the data from here. So let's see. So here you can see Albus has 3 times he been the number this what do you call it, professor, but he got suspended for 2 times. So due to some 2 times he went for British military and a lot of, okay, there is a lot of going on here, but we'll wrap it up in 1965 to 1977, so that will sound good. So we'll just name it Albus, not the big name because he had Albus Percival Wulfric Brand Dumbledore. So we'll just say Dumbledore. After tenure he has 1965 to 1997. That will be C. Then afterwards some details, that longest serving headmaster, so that we can see, right? Comma, then again we say that we have Minerva, mechanical, and she was never a headmaster mistress, but she had done it during 1993. Sorry, if I recall, me 1993 to some short period June 1993, same year. So that was a short period. So she was, we can say, acting head mistress of that time. Then third notably is Severus Snape, and he was there during 1997 after killing the Dumbledore 1998. So he was appointed by Ministry of Magic themselves, but it wasn't by ministries, actually it was a plan of Dark Lord Voldemort, so it was all over it. So the data has been added. So this was it, guys. You can just print it, you can just select everything from headmasters Hogwarts. It will show you the details as well. So this was the video of 7 minutes of you adding and appending data into a database. Thank you so much. Stay tuned for the day 3.